We're going to study protective effects of the endothelium in relation to thrombus formation. We have the endothelium. This is the vessel. Here are the cells lining the blood vessel. This is the endothelium. First, the endothelium secretes prostaglandin E2 and nitric oxide. Nitric oxide produces vasodilation and inhibition of platelet aggregation, as well as prostaglandin E2. Also, there is secretion of thrombomodulin. Well, this production of thrombomodulin. Here would be expression of thrombomodulin. Thrombomodulin aids in the conversion or activation of protein C. Remember that protein C destroys specifically the factor 5 and other factors, but most important is the factor 5 of the coagulation cascade. The protein C would be activated, by thrombomodulin. Also, there are heparin-like molecules and antithrombin 3. The heparin-like molecules act as heparin, so they bind to antithrombin 3, and antithrombin 3 destroys the coagulation factors 2, 10, 9, 11, and 12. More important, the 2 and 10. And also, there is secretion of the tissue plasminogen activator. This activates plasminogen to plasmin, and remember that plasmin destroys coagulation factors, including fibrin, fibrinogen, and decreases platelet aggregation. So all this is produced by the endothelium and protects the blood vessel from forming clots. And also is protecting the subendothelial collagen, because when there is damage to the endothelium, there is exposure of the subendothelial collagen, and so begins the adhesion to the von Willebrand factor and addition of platelets, etc. So we have nitric oxide and prostaglandin E2 produces vasodilation and decreases platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation is also decreased due to the activation of plasmin by the tissue plasminogen activator that is here produced in the endothelium. Thrombomodulin decreases platelet aggregation, and thrombomodulin converts protein C to activated protein C, and the heparin-like molecules act like heparin, so binds to antithrombin 3 and promotes the destruction of coagulation factors.